Hello everyone, we're going to review the week uh, trades that I took for the week from January 5th till January 9th. Okay, as I told on my previous weekly outlook, I show you the weekly range that we are going to work on. And on the Sunday outlook, I invite you not to trade because the price were on equilibrium, right? The price were on equilibrium. So Monday is to see direction where the price will mostly like to go. And I uh, told you too that the price probably will go to previous week low or the previous week high, right? In this case, price were most likely to go to the previous week high to close the opening weekly gap that took on Wednesday, you can see. And the same Wednesday took a daily fair value gap that we had on the very old fair value gap, right? If we go to daily, we see that we can see that there was a valid fair value gap, right? So the price is stopping there. Okay, so we were waiting where the price were mostly like to go, and in this case we're going up, right? What happened on Tuesday? Tuesday, Tuesday, 9:30 a.m. 9:15, 9:30 a.m. It's New York opening. The price push strong, very strong up, and then turns back down. What happened here? I send you to my Telegram channel the daily outlook, right? This daily outlook, I told you the price will move upward, right? What you should be waiting for, it's your entrance. In this case, it was a pretty nice entrance on 15-minute time frame, price push up, leaving a valid fair value gap. Why it's valid? What happens with this fourth candle? It pushed down, and it means like the price it's likely to go down, close this imbalance, and then push up, showing you the real trend of the day, right? So for this case, look, we have a risk to reward ratio of 3, right? So it means like I'm risking $1, I will earn $3. So it's this is just for you to notice this uh, entry point, stop loss, and take profit, right? What happened on the Wednesday? I share with you on my daily outlook, the price will likely to go up. What happened here? The same, exactly the same. Look, 9:30 a.m. Up New York opening, push the price stronger up, leaving an imbalance, valid imbalance, right? So if you take this is 10 a.m., 9:30, 9:45, 9:30, 9:45. We are going to take trade after 10 a.m., right? What happened at 10 a.m.? Price, look, let's make a zoom in, and what happens with this candle close below? So it means this is a valid fair value gap, right? So what happens later? Price push down the price to try to close the gap. The gap absorbs all the sellers, and then boom, goes up. What is the ratio here? 1.85 to 1. It means like I'm losing $1, but I will earn $1.87, right? Next. Thursday for Mexican, jueves, not martes, not Tuesday, it's Thursday. Well, I'm remarking this because I always speak with my wife in English, and I always, as a good Mexican, I always confuse Tuesday with Thursday. Okay, so Thursday, what happened Thursday? This is a nicely example. Thursday, as we took the high levels of the week, previous week high, an imbalance on 1 day time frame, so the price will likely to go down, right? Where the price goes to the equilibrium of the previous week. You see, equilibrium, 50% of the previous week. So on Thursday, outlook daily outlook says let's go down, right? What happened? Look, 9:30 opening, New York opening, push price down very strong and leave a valid fair value gap? No. What happened with the candle? Look, is this a valid fair value gap? It's not a valid fair value gap. You see? This is not valid. Why? Because the price is closing below. The third candle is closing below. You see, if the candle close above this week, it's meaning that prices will likely to go take liquidity and turn down. But in this case, it didn't happen. Look what happened here. What happened here? You see, the price close on the week. So let's do it. Push and go up. What happened on Tuesday? Martes for Mexicans. What happened? Look, look, third candle. Look, fair value gap. And then what happened? You see? Once again. What happened? What happened? Down, right? And this was valid? No, it was not valid. Fair value gap, my mistake. I take the entry at this point, but what I'm placing this length of the trade because anything happen. If the price go in my favor, I will take profit. If it goes against me, I will close my trade at 4 p.m. Doesn't matter what happens. So in here I have a 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio, 1 to 2, right? You see, so it means like I will lose one, but I earn two. Okay, so this was a bad trade. We're talking about trades. We took 4 trades over the week, one bad, two good, and Friday. What happens on Friday? It was quite a bit crazy because we have no, uh, 5 or 6 big news. I mean, red news. So what happens right here? Look, mm, 9:30, 9:30. Before we have news around here, uh, from United States, we have very high impact news, right? Uh, Before 9:30 a.m. and uh, after 9:30 a.m. we have the average hourly earnings, non-farm employment change, unemployment rate, preliminaries for consumer sentiment, and preliminaries for inflation expectation. The last two were at very 10 a.m. So we're not going to trade 30 minutes before and 30 minutes after news, right? It's just an advice. So what happened after the news? Once again, the price goes up, takes London high, Asia high liquidity, then it makes quite a break of structure going up. So it means that the price will like to go down on the previous day low, but we have news, a lot of volatility, so we cannot trust in the market. We are going to trust in our strategy, right? So what happened? The price push, make a swing around Asia low equals high, London low, After the sweep, push price stronger up, right? Again, lip a valid imbalance, very valid balance. We took the entry, right? And we push 1 to 3.5 risk to reward ratio. What it means, I'm willing to lose $1, but if I got profits, I will get $3.54. It's a good trade. It's a nice trade. Why for? Because this is my entry point, 10:45 a.m. Then I quit 4 p.m. What happens first if take profit or if the trade close? So 70% of uh, 75% of uh, of the trades takes profits, right? So all this information every day I share with you by my Telegram channel. And then you say why I should trust in this information and so on. Because all this information it's analyzed with artificial intelligence and everything is doing automatically analysis and I'm sharing with you. Before I share with you I analyze it, right? And if it is correct, if it makes sense with my strategy, I share to you, right? So that's why you should get into my Telegram channel and take approach of this information and share it with you, because of course it will not be always for free. So thank you. That's the brief for the summary for the week, and see you later. Bye.